So you're here because you've seen all the hyped up videos and the flashy ads telling you how much money you can make with affiliate marketing and just how easy it all is. You end up watching some of their videos, you believe them, and then you scroll down to the description only to see a $5,000 course that you have to buy to learn how to do this. Now there's nothing wrong with coaching and charging people for knowledge that's going to help cut their learning curve and make them more money. But then there's this lingering doubt in the back of your mind and you're asking, is affiliate marketing the real deal, or is it all just some kind of elaborate scheme designed to part you from your hard-earned cash? I get it, it's super confusing. It's like trying to navigate your way out of a maze without a map. And unfortunately, affiliate marketing has gotten a really bad rep because there are a ton of junk get-rich-quick scams, all promising this hidden backdoor or this secret cheat code to instant riches that people end up falling for and wasting a lot of money on. So I'm going to give you my honest opinion that will hopefully help you separate fact from fiction. And if you've been following my channel and you're like, Simon, you post about affiliate marketing non-stop. You're just like every other guru out there. Sure, I love to talk about affiliate marketing on YouTube. I've been in the affiliate marketing space for 10 years. I've built sites in multiple niches and I've earned millions in affiliate commissions. What I'm trying to say is I have a lot of experience and I know what I'm talking about. And I've seen it all, the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. And no, I'm not here to push you into a course. I'm just here to share my personal experience with you before you even think about getting started. Does affiliate marketing really work? The short answer is yes. But then why do you look at the success and failure rates of affiliate marketers and see that 95% of affiliate marketers fail? The moral of the story, does it work? Yes. Does it work for everyone? No. Is affiliate marketing easy? Well, yes and no. Let me explain. Affiliate marketing is super simple. All you do is recommend other people's or other companies' products online in return for a commission on each sale. And if you want to find out more about what affiliate marketing is and how it works in detail, then you definitely want to check out this video. And the cool thing is, you really don't need to put much money in up front to start, and there's minimal running costs as well. So you can make like 90% profit margins, which makes it very, very easy to start. And the barrier to entry is very, very low, which is why so many people try it. So in theory, yeah, affiliate marketing is easier to start than other online businesses, but it's actually more difficult to execute than most other online businesses too, because it's more about investing your time. I've worked with a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs over the last 10 years, and I've seen a lot of people fail and I've seen a lot of people succeed. So what actually separates the winners from the losers? Well, I think the biggest thing is giving up. So everyone online makes affiliate marketing out to be like the easiest thing in the world to do. All you do is set everything up in 4 simple steps and you get the keys to the Lambo next week. Well, if it was that easy, every single person on the planet would be doing it. I know someone who worked on their affiliate marketing business for 6 whole months without even making a penny. He apparently wasted his time building out his website, researching keywords, finding winning products and creating content. But then at the 6-month mark, things started to pick up and now he's making at least $40,000 a month each and every month. Can you imagine if he gave up at that 5-month mark? The other thing I see a lot is people who try to rush the process. So they'll watch a short form video somewhere or watch a YouTube video and they'll be like, I'm going to start affiliate marketing. So they dive in head first, they create a website in a niche topic they have zero knowledge about or interest in because they think that's where all the money is. Then they build out their website with copy and paste content from ChatGPT and then spam it with affiliate links and then sit there wondering why they're not getting any traffic or making any sales. So they don't make any money and they quit altogether and say, well, I tried affiliate marketing and it doesn't work. Well, obviously, if you approach anything that way, you're not going to succeed at anything, are you? If you just put an hour and a half into something, it's never going to work. You just can't shortcut the process. That's like, taking 3 piano lessons and then quitting because you can't play Beethoven's symphony yet. Or, quitting the gym saying it doesn't work because you went twice and you don't look any different in the mirror. If you take the time to actually learn the skills that are going to move the needle for you in affiliate marketing, then your chances of success are going to be way higher than someone who's trying to rush through every single step of the process and strike it rich overnight. A lot of people I see fail also focus on the wrong things. They are so fixated on finding that magical affiliate program or finding that one high-ticket affiliate product that's going to turn them into a millionaire and totally change their life. Then they think all they have to do is spam social media sites like Facebook with their affiliate links, and everyone's going to be clicking and buying, and they're going to be laughing all the way to the bank. It's never going to work like that. There's so much more that goes into building a real affiliate marketing business and making those commissions on a consistent and regular basis. There's understanding search intent, product relevancy, giving effective calls to action, and so on. Finding that magical winning affiliate product doesn't automatically mean you're going to become an internet millionaire. I'm sorry to break it to you. Alright, so who does affiliate marketing work for? Now let's walk through the traits of the people that I see who succeed in affiliate marketing. They focus on mastering the skills required to run a successful affiliate marketing business. Skills like website design, strategic content creation, SEO and ranking, marketing and lead generation, and consumer psychology, that kind of thing. There are a lot of moving parts that, not a lot of people talk about when it comes to building out an affiliate marketing business. They make it seem like it's so easy and simple, but the truth is you're gonna have to do everything yourself. You're a one-man band in the beginning. Now this might sound overwhelming, but the skills that you learn as you build out an online business are considered high income skills. And you can take these skills and move them into anything else should you, decide further down the line that you don't want to do affiliate marketing anymore, or maybe it didn't work out the way you wanted it to for any reason. Let's say, for example, you get really good at web design. Great. You acquired that skill from building an affiliate marketing business. Now you can say, hey, look at all these websites that I've built. I can build a website for you at the same quality for $3,000. Or let's say you get really good at getting top rankings in Google. You could contact any local businesses in your area and offer to help them get more leads and customers through the doors. And that's when you can start an agency. You can build up a list of clients, and all of that is now possible because of the skills you acquired by starting your affiliate marketing business. I truly believe, even if you just learn 1 to 3 of these skills that affiliate marketing teaches you, that you will never have to work a 9 to 5 again. There are just so many different options available to you and so many different directions you can take these high income skills to build a solid income for yourself without ever having to clock into a 9 to 5 ever again. I see a lot of super successful affiliates kind of treat affiliate marketing like it's a video game. In a way, they're like addicted to it. For example, that guy I was talking about earlier who didn't make a single sale in 6 months, he treated it like an addictive video game. He wanted to get better and better, he wanted to go up to the next level, and he was really pushing himself to figure out, what makes a really great content strategy or what makes a really great sales funnel. And if you think about it, affiliate marketing in a way is kind of like a game. So you're putting all these puzzle pieces and skills together until they're perfect, and then you max level. Right now you're at the stage where you don't have to work a 9 to 5 anymore and you're making 10K a month. Now the next level is scaling up and figuring out how you're going to get to, say, 25K a month or whatever your goals might be. And I think this is a pretty cool way to think about business and life in general, really. But if that's not really the way you like to look at things, and you like that security of knowing you're going to get the paycheck from your job every 2 weeks, then honestly this probably isn't the business for you. Because the truth is, you are going to experience a roller coaster income, especially in the beginning. You just don't know how many sales you're going to make, and you have no idea what your income is going to be next month. There's just so much uncertainty, you just have no idea. But if you can handle that, then maybe you are cut out for some kind of entrepreneurship. Which kind of brings me on to my next point. The people I see succeed are the ones who are always improving, learning and getting better. They don't just stop after they've built a website up to 30,000 a month and say, okay, that's it, I'm done, time to go to the Bahamas and retire. Because the truth is, your business is never done, right? There's always new directions you can take, always new angles, and always new income streams that you can build. And there are times when something will go wrong, and you want to be prepared for it. So these successful people, they're looking at it in a different way. They're saying, okay, I'm making this much per day. How can I improve that by 10% or 20%? Maybe I can go out there and find a higher paying affiliate program. Maybe I can target more buyer keywords, or maybe I can add 20 more posts to the site or 20 more videos to the channel. Because this isn't like your typical 9 to 5, there is a direct correlation between the amount of effort that you put in and the amount of money that you will make. And that's why entrepreneurship in general was really attractive to me. You know, I used to be stuck in this call center job where it didn't matter how much effort I put in or how hard I worked, I still got the same paycheck at the end of every single month. So I was always looking for a way out. And I really like the fact that the effort I put into my business is gonna, reflect the amount I make income-wise. And that kind of ties into my next point, which is those who make the most money with affiliate marketing are those who build multiple income streams. People like to say, don't put all your eggs in one basket, and that works for affiliate marketing too. Because as I said, things can and will go wrong. I personally learned this the hard way. Long story short, I was getting about $3,000 a month from this one website that I hadn't touched in about 3 or 4 years. Everything was, ticking along nicely until suddenly the affiliate program I was promoting shut down and I lost all my income on that site overnight. Thankfully, I had a portfolio of sites at that point, so it wasn't such a big deal. But whether it's, a Google core update, or whether it's an affiliate program shutting down, or whether it's just that a competitor is outranking you, you always want to make sure that you're diversifying your income. That could mean you're promoting multiple products on one website. So I do think it's a good idea, especially if you're a beginner, to focus on one website in one niche in the beginning. But then let's say you reach 100,000 page views a month with that website, or you're making $10,000 a month, then you can start a new website in a new niche, in a completely different niche, so that you end up promoting multiple products with multiple websites and multiple niches, so that you have those multiple income streams. So that's my honest opinion about if affiliate marketing works or not. So I hope I gave you a better understanding of how hard affiliate marketing is, but also how easy affiliate marketing is if you commit your time and effort to it. I would say don't start affiliate marketing if you can't commit your time, if you get bored easily, or you don't honestly care about running your own business. You should be motivated by working for yourself, have an actual interest in the niche that you've chosen, and treat it like a video game. Because the more time and effort you put in, the more money you're going to get out. It's simple as that. And you can take it as far as you want. You have to be up for a challenge and be able to take on those risks a little bit if you want to go full time. Because things might go wrong and things will get shut down, and you kind of have to be okay with those ups and downs. And if you're like, you know what, I believe I've got what it takes to make 10K a month online and more, then definitely follow this beginner step-by-step guide.